What's up guys, in today's tech tip I'll be showing you how to update your Samsung Galaxy A23. Running the latest software obviously gives you more security and makes the phone operate more efficiently. So to update your phone, simply go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down to software update, so tap on that and then tap on download and install. And then of course you can choose to install the update now or even schedule an install. To schedule an install, simply tap on schedule install and then select a specific time you want the update to install. But if you want to update it right now, simply go ahead and tap on install now. And the Android system update will kick in and guide you on how to update. So currently, as you can see, it's downloading the updates. And once it's done, it's going to restart the phone and install the updates. The phone restarts with the latest update, and if you now go and check the latest update, you should find that your phone is now up to date. Try to check for an update. It's going to tell you your software is up to date. Thanks for watching and good luck guys.